you better call Tyrone. I'ma get that on the phone. I'm Erica Badu, and they won't. Ooh. Okay, I gotta go home and record that shit. Hold on. Got this song. What up, big homie?
I'm glad it's you.
I'm glad you're here. Let me in. Hey.
What the hell you got a sledgehammer for?
You don't want to know. I gotta protect myself, okay? I gotta stay protected out in these streets. This is 8 pounds of bust your head wide the fuck open. Okay? Why don't you have one?
Where you been?
No, why do you have a book? Why do I have a sledgehammer? You know your ass can't read.
You should have seen this nigga. I bet this